A biomedical engineer just raised $90 million proving rocket science's favorite scientific curiosity might actually win wars. For decades, Texas A&M professor Rodney Bowersox treated rotating detonation engines as fascinating theory, not deployable hardware. Then Sassie Duggleby helped fly one in 2025, shattering a boundary aerospace veterans thought belonged in papers. She did it after Venus Aerospace burned roughly $80 million chasing combustion that wanted to melt itself. And the cruelest number wasn't funding raised. TechCrunch said Venus had only held that engine for 32 seconds. Customers may need 6 to 15 minutes, meaning Sassie Duggleby was selling possibility while physics still laughed. Spaceport America leaders admitted almost nobody expected an RDRE on a launch pad that quickly. So why did investors just hand Venus about $90 million anyway, after years of polite disbelief? Sassie Duggleby never built Venus like a tourism fantasy. She built it like a systems bet. But the real twist came after the 2025 flight test, when customers asked to buy engines, not rides. Venus had launched in 2020, chasing hypersonic-passenger travel, then suddenly defense and space pulled harder. Sassie Duggleby recognized the market wasn't paying for romance, it was paying for propulsion architecture. That meant beating a quieter enemy than skeptics, Apollo-era engine assumptions baked into supply chains and procurement. Venus claimed pressure-gain combustion could squeeze about 15% more efficiency from hardware incumbents barely changed since Apollo. Sassie Duggleby's edge wasn't swagger. It was biomedical engineering discipline, calm operations, and refusing to worship burnout. That cross-disciplinary lens let her treat engines like living systems, stabilize pressure, control heat, survive stress. Before Venus, Sassie Duggleby worked around launch systems, then co-founded the company with her husband Andrew Duggleby. Together, they turned an obscure combustion argument into 600 hot fires in less than 4 years. The longest public burn still sat at 32 seconds, but Sassie Duggleby kept talking manufacturability, not miracles. Everyone thought Venus was selling speed. The deeper play was simplifying propulsion categories old incumbents made needlessly complex. Now the bet is bigger. Defense, space, and future hypersonic travel could share one company-defining engine family. If Venus proves 6-minute burns, Sassie Duggleby stops being a contrarian founder and becomes infrastructure. If heat wins instead, investors funded an elegant demonstration, not a platform, and the skepticism returns fast. That's why the $90 million matters. Sassie Duggleby's comm systems worldview finally matched a market ready to buy. Is Sassie Duggleby building aerospace's next standard, or its smartest moonshot? Subscribe to Who Matters Now.